Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through setting up HTTP custom for SNI settings. If you're looking to enhance your online security and improve your browsing experience, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and make your internet experience more secure and private. Before we proceed, ensure you've watched our previous video on creating a WebSocket account. This is a crucial foundational step that sets the stage for everything we'll cover in this tutorial. To begin, download and install the HTTP Custom app. You can find it on your mobile app store or download it directly from the web. Once installed, you're ready to move on to the next step. Open the HTTP Custom app. This will bring you to the home screen where all the configurations take place. For enhanced security, enable SSL by checking the SSL box in the app. This step ensures your connection is encrypted and secure. Next, input your SSH WebSocket server details. Use the server information you created earlier to set up a secure connection. This step is essential for the VPN to function effectively. Click on the hamburger menu in the top left corner of the screen. From the Utility section, locate the SNI label and click on it. A pop-up box will appear, prompting you to enter a valid SNI server name indication. Ensure you input the correct SNI details provided by your server or network provider. Once done, return to the main screen. With all configurations in place, it's time to connect. Tap the Connect button to initiate the VPN. You'll now enjoy a secure and enhanced browsing experience. And there you have it. You've successfully set up HTTP Custom for SNI settings. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step toward improving your online security and privacy. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay safe and happy browsing.